You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 45. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 45.